Hey everybody, this is Larry. I'm doing this problem as part of a contest, so you're gonna watch me live as I go through my dots as I'm coding. There'll be an explanation near the end, and for more context, there'll be a link below on the actual screencast of the contest. How did you do? Let me know how you do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and here we go. Q1, number of students doing homework at a given time. Yeah, so this one immediately when I read it, yeah, I was like, what's n? Well, I mean, it doesn't matter what n is, to be honest, because I was like, well, you cannot do better than O of n because you have to read everything once. And I just kind of double reading it just to make sure that this was as easy as I thought it was. But it pretty much was, which is that given a query time, we just check to see if that query time is between the start time and end time inclusive. And you just could do that with a linear scan by checking every segment once. And that's what I do here. In the contest, I solved this in 59 seconds, including reading and loading. So this was a pretty straightforward problem for me. Um, and I was confident that as soon as I checked the example and answers, Q1, numbers of student doing homework at a given time. Yeah, because n is only 100. Oh yeah, because n is only 100, you can just go for it manually and then count for everyone. Um, just making sure that the query time is between the start time and end time for a given index I, and that's pretty much it for